Lake of the Ozarks, Missouri. Lake of the Ozarks stands as one of the most attractive tourist spots in the Midwest. It is also known as the best recreational lake in the country because it offers lots of exciting outdoor activities like boating and fishing. But did you know that this lake has nearly 617 billion gallons of water and was the largest man-made lake at the time of its construction? Today we'll discuss Lake of the Ozarks and why it's so famous among tourists. Also, we'll share some facts that you probably don't know about this lake, so be sure to stick around until the end to find out what exciting things you can do in Lake of the Ozarks. Lake of the Ozarks is located in the north part of the Ozarks in central Missouri. This lake has an insane 61,000 square miles of surface area with 1,150 miles of shoreline. Not just that, this lake is 92 miles long and around 130 feet deep, making it one of the largest and deepest lakes in the world. Unlike other lakes, it has a unique serpentine shape that gives it the nickname Puff the Magic Dragon. Lake of Ozarks was previously known as Lake Ozarks and Lake Benton, but today everybody knows it as Lake of the Ozarks. The lake was constructed in 1931 and was the largest man-made lake in the United States. The purpose of its construction was to produce hydroelectric power, but gradually it became one of the most attractive tourist destinations. Reports show that over 5 million people visit Lake of the Ozarks every year to spend their vacations like never before. Lake of the Ozarks is an easy-to-reach destination either by car, rail, or by air, so you don't have to worry about finding the best route to reach this lake. Although it is a lake, it is famous for its beautiful parks. Those who visit this lake always visit two of its famous parks, Ha-Ha-Tonka State Park and Lake of the Ozarks State Park. These two spots are also known as the most family-friendly spots in the Ozarks. Ha-Ha-Tonka State Park covers an area of 3,700 acres and is located on the Nyangua side of the lake. This park gives attractive views of the ruins of the early 20th century ghosty castle. Apart from this, the Ha-Ha-Tonka State Park is famous for hiking and water activities like swimming, fishing, and boating. This spot is also perfect for exploring geographical locations like caves and sinkholes. The other one is Lake of the Ozarks State Park. It is the largest state park in Missouri and provides easy access to the lush Ozark mountain landscapes. It has two state park marinas providing rentals for water activities like boating and fishing. But this park is not limited to just water activities. It offers a 13-mile trail of four winds for hiking lovers to explore fascinating water views. The southeastern region of this park has several shorter hiking spots that make it the best spot for hikers to enjoy their time. And not to forget, this famous park is known for its campgrounds, where you can camp and enjoy your trip. The Bridal Cave is another attractive place that you should visit during your trip to Lake of the Ozarks. This lake is centuries old and is located near the city of Camdenton. To explore this cave, the area provides guided tours that are available throughout the year. The exciting fact about this cave is its consistent temperature, which remains at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. This cave is just amazing, and you'll never want to miss it out during your trip. The Bagnell Dam in Lake of the Ozarks is yet another awesome spot to enjoy fresh water. The dam expands over 2,500 feet, and its job is to produce hydroelectric power for the area. But why do people visit this dam? It's because of its engineering that gives the dam an amazing look. Not just that, the opposite side of Bagnell Dam offers classic summer activities and is full of family-friendly shops and restaurants and organizes the Hot Summer Nights Motor Festival. This spot in Lake of the Ozarks is a perfect place for those who want to enjoy summer vacations with their family. Towards the south of Osage Beach, there is the Big Surf Water Park that remains crowded every summer. Whether you want to swim or enjoy beautiful water attractions like lazy rivers, this water park is what you should consider. Big Surf Water Park is also famous for its exciting water rides, including the 3 Stories and Bezzy Falls Water Halfpipe. Lake of the Ozarks also has amusement parks that make it a perfect place for kids to enjoy their vacations. In these parks, you and your kids can enjoy rides that take you 100 feet above the ground and enjoy beautiful lake views. Apart from this, there are many indoor and outdoor water parks where your kids can engage in different water activities. The historic Wilmore Lodge is another must-visit spot in Lake of the Ozarks that you should not skip on your trip. In fact, most tourists consider it as their first stop on their trip to Lake of the Ozarks. This lodge has a historic museum displaying the history behind the famous Bagnell Dam. Another exciting fact about this lodge is that it is entirely made of wood and has an unmatchable architecture. This spot also remains open year-round, so it will not be a surprise if you see it crowded in every season. Attractions in Lake of the Ozarks are countless, but we can't cover all of them in this short video. So we'll end our discussion on the golf course. We know that most tourists love playing golf during their trip to such attractive places. You'll be excited to know that Lake of the Ozarks has many golf courses where you can play golf with others while enjoying the beautiful views of Lake of the Ozarks. The most famous among all is the 27-hole golf course at Ozarks National Golf Resort. If you're towards the south of Ozarks Beach, you can access the nearby Old Kinderhook Golf Course. It is also a famous golf course that remains open for public visits. This golf course also has a popular resort and spa to make your stay the most memorable one. Apart from all these, Lake of the Ozarks is an excellent place for shopping. You'll find hundreds of shops around the lake where you can have a unique shopping experience. But to enjoy your trip to Lake Ozarks, you have to rent a perfect house or cabin. So let's check our top 3 recommendations. At number 1, we have this 4,181 square feet, 7-bedroom, 6-bathroom rental house. Offering enough space for an entire family, this beautiful rental house is a family-friendly property with lavish amenities that you can only expect from a 5-star hotel. Inside, you get a full kitchen with a game room. The most exciting feature is the private on-property boat lunch. Staying here will give you easy access to Lake of the Ozarks and Ozarks Beach premium outlets. If you are looking for more indoor space, you should check out this magnificent duplex-style rental property. It's a 5,500 square feet, 8-bedroom, 9-bathroom house with an outdoor shower and covered boat slips. The 2-level floor plan includes 2 fully equipped kitchens with a rustic coffee bar. This rental property gives you easy access to famous spots including the Great Bagnell Dam and Ozarks National Golf Course. If both of these rental properties are not enough for your family to stay in, be sure to check out this massive lakefront house. It is an insane 6,600 square feet, 7-bedroom, 4-bathroom house, perfect for large families. Its bedrooms offer enough space for 33 people, while the dining area is perfect to handle over 34 people. Other amenities include a lakeside hot tub, large wet bar, large screen TV, and much more. Living here gives you easy access to nearby spots including Bridal Cave, Haha Tonka State Park, and Ozarks Beach premium outlets. Are you looking for a place where you can enjoy your time with your family? If yes, then Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri could be a perfect destination. This lake lets you enjoy a lot of exciting adventures that you can't experience at other tourist destinations. So if you love water activities or want to travel with kids, Lake of the Ozarks is what you should consider. Do let us know in the comments if you have ever been to Lake of the Ozarks in Missouri. And be sure to check out our video about Crested Butte in Colorado.